Hello students, Debashish again from Debs Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub and my Facebook page too, Debs Learning Hub. So today we are going to cover chapter sets for class 11 and 12 CBSE ISC board. This is the third class on sets. What are the topics we are going to cover today? Types of sets by relation. If we categorize sets by relation, what are the different types of sets are there? If you remember in my second class, if you look into this pictorial representation, we can categorize sets by relation and by order. In our second class, हम लोग already cover कर चुके हैं by order how many types of sets are there? There are 4 types of sets. Number 1, empty or null or void set. Number 2 is singleton set, जहाँ पे एक ही element होता है set में. Number 3 is finite set and number 4 is infinite set. आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे बाय रिलेशन व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स आर देयर यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो बाय रिलेशन द फर्स्ट वन इज इक्विवेलेंट. व्हाट इज इक्विवेलेंट सेट? सो व्हाई वी आर से पहले ये समझ लीजिए जो बाय रिलेशन क्यों बोलता है. बाय ऑर्डर तो एक सेट में कितना एलिमेंट है वो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स के ऊपर दैट इज द कार्डिनलिटी और ऑर्डर ऑफ द सेट उसका बेसिस में हम लोग कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये बाय रिलेशन का मतलब होता है क्या? बाय रिलेशन मतलब यू आर कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन 2 और मोर देन 2 सेट्स, राइट? So that is why you are saying relation, because relation means definitely you have to have more than one set, right? So equivalent set क्या होता है? What is equivalent set? So equivalent set का मतलब होता है if there are 2 sets having same number of elements. It doesn't matter element क्या है, element same हो सकता है, same नहीं हो सकता है, but number of elements are same. That means if there are 2 sets whose order or cardinality are same, then they are called equivalent sets. So let's see the example. Equivalent set. Set A, it is in the tabular format, right? Tabular form. Set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 8. How many number of elements? This is 4. Number of elements is 4. So number of elements in set A, that is the order of set A is 4. What is the order of set B, where you have the elements A, C, P, Q? So what are the elements? We don't care. We only care for equivalent set. We care only about the order of the set, number of elements within the set. So in B, that is the order of set B, that is also 4. That means set A and set B, these two are equivalent. Now equal set. Equal set means, so if 2 sets have same order and same members, then those 2 sets are called equal. Simple, very simple. Just look into the example. Now look into this example. Set A has the members 1, 5, 7, 9. How many members? 4 members. What are the members? 1, 5, 7, 9. Set B, 9, 7, 5, 1. These are the elements. So how many elements? 4. So both set A and set B are equivalent. Order is same. And also set A and set B has the same members. Here also 1, 5, 7, 9. Here also 1, 5, 7, 9. So that means set A and set B, these two are equal. Got it? So what do you understand? दो सेट अगर इक्विवेलेंट होगा उसका मतलब नहीं है जो इक्वल होना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर दो सेट इक्वल है वो तो इक्विवेलेंट है ही है. So all equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets not necessarily are equal. May be equal, may not be equal. Got it?